to today's video. I will tell you I'm sorry for the long gap. I recorded 2 boxes, which I'm still going to re-record, and somehow they didn't have audio, and that depresses me a lot. So I kind of set both boxes aside, and I didn't know what to do. So I will refilm them and then get them up. But this came in the mail yesterday, and I have been working so hard at work that I thought it would be fun to unbox my Boxyluxe for this month. And if you don't know, Boxyluxe is, well, Boxy is $25 a month, but to get the Luxe, it's like $50, and you don't get your base box. So it replaces your base box for that month. So you get like, I don't remember how many products, but they're all full size. They're supposed to be fantastic. I have no clue, and so I'm going to quit talking about that part and dive right in. I do like getting this. So, so this is what mine looks like on the inside, and there's not a whole lot in it. But the thing, I do like that bright and colorful. It says it's Dare to Dazzle. Can I stick this somewhere? Okay, so Dare to Dazzle. And the back of this tells me all about the good products that I got. And it looks like I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. So there's that. And I know that there's supposed to be like some retail astronomical amount of money. I have got squigglies everywhere. Give it a second. I have squigglies everywhere. My hair is just, it's the weekend. We're working all over the house, but, and the dog, Thumper. Okay, so let's just dive right in before it gets crazy nuts in here. So the first item I'm pulling out is by Smith French Dublin. It says it's Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash. And it says that this is enriched with locally sourced ingredients. So this says fresh green leaves. I wonder if it's like forest-ish. And this looks like it's done in, it says that it's got an address-ish. I wonder if this is in Ireland. Anyway, this is $25 for this full-sized item. And it says that it is to clear the mind and energize and inspire. I'm going to try to get into it. I don't know. I might not be able to. I am not the best with this. I would use my front teeth, but I can't. Okay. Let's just open it. That has a very familiar smell, but I don't know what it is. It's like a mixture of being at the pool or the river. I don't remember. More of the river. So that'll be nice. And like I said, it's a hand wash. The next item, he's going to be like, where did that go? Is by NARS, and it's a blush in the color Orgasm. And this is a $30 brush. It does say it's matte satin and shimmering finishes. So which one is this one? Is it matte, shining, shimmering? I know. That's kind of a blank. Anyway, so the color looks like this. It's kind of a peachy color. I mean, against my very hot pink sweater, it's really easy to see that it's very peachy. But it's a really really subtle color. Let's see if I can swatch it that it will come up. So as you see, it's got a shimmer to it. So that's a really nice colored blush. I just throw everything straight across the face. So there's that, and that's $30. That's a lot of money for one little blush brush. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's move on to the next item. I see. Oh, it's by Smashbox. I actually never used a Smashbox eyeshadow, so this will be my very first palette ever. And it says it's golden hour, so it looks like it's a bunch of neutral colors. Not really a neutral girl, but okay. So, this says it's $29, but this is what the inside looks like, and they look primarily shimmery and very neutral. It doesn't look like any of these are matte. So I'm going to swatch a couple of these and see what they look like. That one almost looked purple. That's not bad. That's a very muted color palette. And I don't really know what these two things are. But they're covered of Dope and Hero, but I don't know what these do. I guess they're like a contour or I don't know, what's it called when you go over it, like to blend it in and highlight it, whatever. And it does look like it's got some kind of cellophane on the mirror. That's kind of weird. I don't know if I can get that off. Can't really use the mirror with it on. I don't know. I'll figure it out. So that's kind of cool, I guess. Next item. Oh, another one. Every time he comes down here and those are flying over, he's like, really? The next item is by Elemis, and it's a superfood glow and cleansing butter. And it says it's pumpkin glow cleanser. This is a new launch, and it looks like it is $38. And you get a nice size, like it's supposed to be full size, so. Pumpkin, huh? It's got a pumpkin color. It's got a pumpkin color, but it doesn't really have a pumpkin smell. And mine came open, so there's that. I guess that's my new cleanser for this month. But I like Elemis though. It's nice. The next item in the box is by Earth Harbor, and it says that it is Sunstone Hair Relieve Elixir. I have a lot of Earth Harbor stuff, but I don't think either one of them are hair elixirs. I think both of my other ones are face serums or ampoules, however you say that. And this has very little smell, so that will be nice to try. And this is $30. The next item is by Dr. Brandt. It says hashtag say I love you with pride, triple antioxidant face cream, and that's what that looks like. I do like the thing here. This is kind of nice, and Dr. Brandt stuff stands up nicely because I have a whole bunch of it. So this is a new launch product for, holy crap, $64. That's a lot of money for that. The next item by Avant, and it is a hyaluronic acid replenishment lip serum. And everybody that was reading the box as I said it just laughed because I probably said it wrong. That's okay. Can't say that word. And that's what that looks like. And it retails for, are you kidding me? $122. $122. I would not buy that for $122. I don't know about you. But it says it's supposed to hydrate, plump, and balance moisture levels. And I have on lip gloss, so I'm not going to open this and try it since it's $122. But when I cleanse off my makeup, I will put it on and I will tell you guys on Instagram how I thought that worked. And the last item in my box is by Boxyluxe, and it looks like it's like a starter kit. It's a Sassy Luxe bundle. So in it I got pre-moistened olive and castor oil cotton swabs for easy removal of Boxy Lash Magnetic Liner. A small little tiny thing of the magnetic liner itself. I don't know how that will work. But there it is. And then one set of lashes. So there's that. I have never tried any of these, and that is one small of liner. That stuff must be very expensive, and I didn't know you needed the removal one. And then there's a little insert that tells you what you get and how to do it. I've always been interested in trying this, but I've never had a set because I get pre-glued ones, and I messed up my pair for today, but I get pre-glued ones, and I've tried the glue ones, and I kind of suck at it. So, this will be nice to try, though. And that is what I got in my Luxe. And this is $90. So, altogether, I got, let's get out the phone, see how much my box valued at. Okay, no, not that. No, not that. Calculator. Okay, so the Boxy lashes were 90. The Earth Harbor was 30. The lip serum was 122. The Dr. Brandt was 64. The LMS stuff was 38. The NARS was 30. Smashbox 29. And the last item is that, and it was 25, which means my box valued $428. And I guess I did like it. So so that's everything I got in my box for this month, and if that looks like something that you would like, you can check out the links in the description. And as always, check out my Instagram. I'm trying to post more often, but to be fair, I do work a lot, so keep that in mind. And I do games, so that's coming. But I will see you in the next video, so I heart your face. Bye.